Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Motor Mike Media, and as always, I'm Motor Mike, and today, well, this is quick news. There's a lot to talk about, so let's get started. We'll start with GM and their new logo. They decided to go lowercase, change up the coloring a little bit. I'm not the biggest fan, to be honest with you guys, but this new logo is supposed to represent their electric future. They actually called up Tesla and said, hey, we're going to become the #1 U.S. automaker for electric vehicles. We'll have to wait and see if that's actually going to be true. They told Cadillac, their luxury brand, that they're going to be the first brand to go pure electric. And the dealerships were not happy at all. A lot of them are complaining and saying that they'd rather just not sell their brand anymore instead of going all electric. So they have a few things to work out. Now, the Cadillac Lyriq, that will be their first all-electric model. It's interesting looking. It looks very concept, futuristic looking. Some angles of it look pretty good to me, and other angles, not so much. That rear end with those taillights, I wonder what you guys think. Obviously, styling is the eyes of the beholder, and it's supposed to be something revolutionary. GM was actually even bragging about the new 32-inch screen on the inside, saying that it's not only the latest and greatest for them, but it has technology and features and software that will not only rival its competition like Tesla, but surpass them. So we'll have to wait and see. Other Cadillac news is, well, the Blackwings. That's their high-performance models, and I'm so excited. In February, they're coming out. Big old powerful V8s and manual transmissions. So if you're not excited about electric vehicles, at least you'd be excited for that. I know I am. V8s, and the Blackwings sound amazing, and you can still get a manual, so they'll be kind of rare. Other news, well, we'll stick with GM for just another minute because their truck sales. The Chevy Silverado as well as the GMC Sierra combined to outsell the F-150. Now, some people might think that's cheating, having two separate vehicles competing against one, but usually they come very close, but Ford usually wins. But for 2020, GM won. 847,000 compared to Ford's 787,000. So it was pretty close near the end there, but near the end, the GM sales just kind of kept tumbling and tumbling, in a good way, like snowballing, and surpassed the F-150, which is good for them. Now, since we just talked about Ford, let's go to the Ford Maverick. A smaller pickup truck to go underneath the Ranger. We got some photos of it. Shown on an assembly line, it looks pretty decent. Obviously, most of it's covered. We don't have all the body panels on there. But the front end, it looks different, a little bit more chiseled, and I'm excited. Now, this is going to be unibody construction, so it should ride pretty smooth, but we don't know power plants or anything like that. Well, we'll have to just wait and see. Supposedly, we should see more about this in the next few months. Now, let's talk about Tesla real quick. Like I said, GM called them out, but what Tesla decided to do was, well, lower the price of their Model Y. Now, there's a new standard model range. So it gets about 244 miles of range. It's $8,000 cheaper than the previous one there. Now they claim that the reason why they did this was, well, technology and stuff like that, but because the Mustang Mach-E is going to come out soon. So they wanted to lower the price to kind of take away some of that Mustang flair. Other news is, well, Fiat. They decided to take that 500X, which is the only model that's going to be here in America, and make it a convertible. I don't know why, but that never really works with SUVs, but we'll have to wait and see. Other news, we'll go to Mazda, guys. Mazda says, hey, in 2022, we'll see an inline-6 engine. A 3.0 variant as well as a 3.3 variant. Inline-6 engines are always good, and it'll be a nice new power plant. Because right now, Mazda just has 4 cylinders. And they said they're working on a rear-wheel drive platform. I'm pretty sure that will underpin the new Mazda 6 and hopefully a new sports car. Well, that basically sums it up, guys. I just want to give you an update on all the latest and greatest. I know most of it was for GM, but I want to know what you guys think. What do you think of the Cadillac Lyriq? What do you think about the new GM logo and them wanting to go all electric and compete with Tesla? We know that the Hummer is going to come out soon for GMC, and it's really rugged, but it's very expensive. That's the problem with a lot of these electric cars. They just aren't for you and me, really. But please, if you haven't already and you want to, check out my channel. I keep trying to give you guys more and more content. I talk about cars, trucks, crossovers, and SUVs, combustion engines, and EVs. A little bit of everything. And please, like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with the latest and greatest from my channel. And as always, I truly appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.